Hi everybody. In today's video, I am going to be repurposing a little bit of content, which I've never done before, from my main channel. I recently went to Brooklyn and visited Yoseka Stationery, and I had the opportunity to meet one of the owners, Daisy. She showed me around the store and I made a purchase. I'm going to show you my visit there, which I also posted on Lori's Boston Found. But then what I didn't post yet was the unboxing of what I purchased, and I also ink up my new Sailor Pro Gear Slim. So I hope you enjoy it. If it seems a little choppy, it's because I've removed some of the content from my initial post, but hopefully it flows together okay for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. In today's video, we are going to travel to Brooklyn. I went for the first time to a stationery store that I've been really excited about visiting. The name of the store is called Yoseka. All right, friends, I am here with Daisy, who's the owner of Yoseka Stationery.
My husband Neil and I started Yoseka Stationery about 5 years ago. We were inspired by his parents' store in Taiwan, which started in 1981. And we wanted to basically just bring Asian stationery and Asian stationery trends to people in New York. And our store is a place where I like to think of it as a playground where people can come and try everything out.
It is so much fun.
Thank you.
We are having fun.
That's the whole point. So we have our tester table behind me over here. People can try all the pens out, and the same thing with the paper, the fountain pens, the inks, everything that you see in here you can test out. So that's what our store is all about.
We love it. And tell us the story about this.
Actually, all of the pieces of furniture in the store are basically vintage and thrifted. This one we got off of Craigslist, and Neil and I had to journey into the city, and we just fell in love with this piece. We thought it was really cool that all of these Chinese names are on the little drawers here.
It's such a special piece. And it's so much fun. I am getting the passport size today. I'm so excited, and they have all the cafe stuff, the stickers and everything.
Yeah. Originally when it came, it had these two big butterfly doors on it, and we still have those at home because they're hand painted beautiful.
So cool.
Yeah.
All right. I think I want to try some inks.
Yes,
all right.
please.
Let's go over
there.
All right. Thank you so much, Daisy.
Thank you.
I'll need a right side.
Oh, this is really nice. I like this map. So we're gonna test some nibs over here.
I have a Sailor broad pen for you to try out, Lori.
I'm so excited to try it. So, Daisy, you want to tell us a little bit about your story about the pen that you designed?
Oh yeah, sure. So this is the pen in question. It is the Yoseka Refreshed Pro Gear Slim.
So beautiful.
Yeah, and it's basically supposed to be, the story behind it is that last year we did all these special projects by our team, and this is the special project that our whole team sort of collaborated on. The colors were picked by Soraya, who was our first ever employee at Yoseka. And yeah, this is just her embodied in a pen.
I was just saying to Daisy how when you watch her YouTube channel, how you just get such a sense of community here. Everybody who works here seems so happy. You really get that family vibe, which I really appreciate and love. This is beautiful. I love the color. I'm so excited to have it. So now we're just debating on the nib size here.
So try this out. It's a broad. Maybe I'll uncap it for you.
Thank you. I'm one-handed.
Yeah. Here you go.
And I don't have any broad nibs, so this might be really fun.
Do you have Sailors?
I have one, and I have one on order. So I just have the Shikiori.
Okay.
Like the winter.
Is it white?
It's with little sparkles, maybe a little bit of it. Oh, I actually have it in my bag with me. I like this. This is nice.
Yeah, it's going to be smoother than the one that you have because it's broad as opposed to medium fine.
Right.
And it'll be good with like showing off lots of ink colors and things like that.
I like that a lot. This is their little stamp station from Taiwan to New York. Oh, I love that. I don't know. I'm trying this right now. Is this what I just tried? No. This is deep.
These are
Yeah, it's really smooth.
It's really nice. That's nice. Oh my god. Look at this sailor collection. I am going to get this ink right here. I did love that. All right, Marg, Eddie and Margolick, Lori, are you going to be long here or what?
I thought 10 minutes tops, and I'm going to be like, I'm just going to go stand outside for a little bit.
Okay, now let's
Now
pan
let's look at my pile.
to her pile.
So I've got some stationery. Look at this, how pretty this is. You can't really tell, but it's like really nice stock, like note cards.
Simple elegance.
Love it, love it, love it, love it for little notes. And then my pen. And then Eddie, and you got one for Eddie and his roommate Jack. Yeah,
That's the one I just
Nice
sampled.
case for them.
Oh, it's a beautiful
Yeah.
gift.
And then matching,
And what's this? Oh, that's your Kaveka. Oh, and then the notebooks.
The notebooks.
and then these little tiny notebooks. I really like the colors.
Like those.
You submerge it, then you start twisting. So I'm going to submerge it completely and then draw ink. And it's normal to have a bit of an air bubble. That's kind of just the air that was in the fin originally.
So it'll never fill all the way, just
Not
because.
really.
Okay.
And then here you want to grab this section right here because it's clean. Hold it like that. Twist it a few times. And then you have a section. Then take this.
That's going to look so pretty with that pen.
Really pretty. And about how long will that ink last? Like, it depends on obviously.
Depends on how much you write.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. So this is the street that Yoseka is on, and they have all these cute little spots. There's a coffee shop right here, this little trading company, and there's Yoseka. It's so nice. Fun little neighborhood.
Inside this
Oh, look at
flower
this flower studio. It's beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that footage. It was so special to be able to go directly to the Yoseka store and to meet Daisy and some of her incredible staff, to play with the pens and the inks and just touch everything that I've been admiring on her YouTube channel. Let's get into this. I also bought some ink and we are going to test it out. So this is the Pro Gear Slim by Sailor, and it is so beautiful. Here's the box. I'm filming this at night. I have lots of lights here. So here it is. As you saw in the video, I decided to go with the broad nib. We'll take out all the components here. I did open this already because I filmed a little haul on my main channel. If you'd like to check that out, I spent a day in Brooklyn and it was a little vlog style, but most of it was spent at Yoseka. So this is the paperwork and some of the accessories that come with the pen. I was very excited to see that it came with a converter, and then it comes with, it looks like 2 black ink cartridges here. So of course I had to buy some pretty new ink. I got this Manyo ink. It is Koke, K-O-K-E. It's a dual shading ink, and this is the 50 mils, and it was really pretty. I tried this in the store per the recommendation of one of the employees there. They had different opinions on what to try. There was also like a peachy color that I tried, but I like to make sure that the ink that I'm using is dark and legible so I can use it when I'm journaling. This gives the Northern America limited warranty with the Sailor holograph sticker. And then here is my converter. So let's open this up. This is my first broad nib. The color of this is just so gorgeous. I really hope that you can appreciate the color here. Although this does feel like it's a little dark here. Hopefully I can brighten things up for you. It is a 14 karat gold nib. It's just gorgeous. Here are some of my other pens that I have for size comparison. This is the only other Pro Gear Slim that I have from the Shikiori series. So this is a Visconti pen, and of course the Pilot Vanishing Point. This I haven't reviewed yet, but this is a new acquisition. This is the brass Kaweco. I love it. And then here are my Pro Gear Slims. Okay, so let's ink this up. I am so excited. This is the Manyo Koke ink. It was a tough decision. It's just so pretty. I've never purchased the Manyo ink, so let's open this up. Put that in here. Going counterclockwise first, and then once I get to the bottom there, okay, these converters aren't the best, but I do have enough ink in there. You can see it going back and forth here, and I always make such a mess when I do this. Classic Lori. Oh, it's really pretty. So I think it complements this. I think it complements this pen so well. You can already see the sheen in there. And I definitely like to post my Pro Gear Slims because it is a smaller pen. Kind of did a wonky S there. And this is their Refresh. And this is in a broad nib. Oh, it's gorgeous. And the ink that I'm using is Sailor Manyo ink. And this color is Koke. This is a really pretty blue. Okay, let's do a little, what can we do here? Coloring. Oh, it is almost like writing with a marker. It's so smooth. There's very little feedback here. I actually don't mind the feedback. I think it's very unique to Sailor pens, but you really don't get it with the broad nib. The shading, and we'll see what it does when it dries. such a pretty pen. Goes so soft. I love it. I love it, love it. It really does put down a nice amount of ink and it's so smooth. This is reverse. It's very fine. Does anybody actually write in reverse? I always see people do this, and I don't think I have ever written in reverse here. Oh, it's so beautiful. Do you want to see a comparison? So this is the broad nib. And in here I have, I think it's called Noodler's Nightshade. And then this is the, oh, there's a big difference. Medium, and I love them both. Fine nib. And I believe when Jay goes to Japan, I'm going to get a medium nib and a medium fine nib with the things that I've requested, my wish list. You can hear the difference. So in addition to my beautiful pen, I also picked up some stationery supplies, of course. I purchased this beautiful traveler's notebook in the camel color, and this is the passport size. I have a larger notebook already from Moterm, the larger traveler's notebook, and I purchased this clear folder from their limited edition Traveler's Notebook Cafe. So I bought this to put in my larger Traveler's Notebook. And then I also got this washable paper. It has really thin paper, I believe. Refill washable paper. I wanted something that was similar to Tomoe River paper, so we're gonna try that out. I also got the folder for this that has a cup of coffee. A Traveler's Cafe brings you peace of mind, coffee and notebooks. So I got this folder too from this limited edition series. And then I also got the Traveler's Notebook stickers with all of the cute little cafe stickers on them. I love this. And this comes with all different sheets of paper inside, sheets of stickers, and gives you ideas on how to use it. So I'm very excited to dig into this. And then I got a Stalogy notebook. I love Leuchtturm and Stalogy. And when my daughter Angelina was home, she needed a notebook. So I gave her my, my black Stalogy notebook. So I decided to buy a blue one because I thought it looked so pretty with my new ink and my new pen from Yoseka. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to check out my full day in Brooklyn, you can click the link in my description to Lori's Boston Found, and I'll be back soon with a new video. Thanks for watching.